In today's video, I'll show you how to log into Zero Trust in 1.1.1.1 VPN for free without using any organization name. Just follow my steps. First, open your 1.1.1.1 VPN app on your phone. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner, then go to Advanced, and from there, tap on Diagnostics. Now from here, first copy this ID shown on your screen. Now go back to the previous screen, and from here, tap on the connection options. Now go to this DNS settings. Then tap on Gateway DOH subdomain. Now in this box, paste the ID you copied earlier, and then tap on Apply. And that's it. Now you can start using Zero Trust without any issues. But honestly, if your goal is just to use VPN, then Warp Mode is more than enough and completely free. And that's how you can easily log in and start using Zero Trust. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.